It was in Gorgast, near to Berlin in Germany, in a big old house close to a beautiful river, from the 9th to the 12th of December 2015. We were 11 to join: Sarah, Johannes, Ursula, Jan, Steffi, Paola, Wilhelmine, George, Sonia, you Lazar and me Fanny. The hosting team started to present us the schedule, the rules of talking, and the question we will guide our gathering. How to co-create a truthful and lively unavision network in order to foster sustainable development of communities and regions. To know more about each other, everyone has to present themselves using a talking ball and answering questions. What brings you here? Where are you based? What is your background? What are you more passionate about? And what do you bring in the circle? This talking circle helps us to learn about each other's different ways matching today in the same place. Continuing personal stories, Johannes started to tell us the story of unavision. Way back before, it was Dunavision, from the name of the river going through East Europe. With Sarah, they came to the point that having a great influence on the world will be in the connection of communities in social changes. Those communities will sing together in order to propose a new way for discover their region, a travel improving personal changes called learning journey. The participants of the meeting of Gorgast found themselves in this dream. That's why we were here. We made a Skype session to other people who couldn't be there and present ourselves. A lot of nationalities was connected at this moment, which gives us a lot of great perspective for the network. We go on to know more each other on what does it mean sharing knowledge of the places we are from, with the story of the regions in 2 groups. In each group, 2 persons had to tell us the story about the region. The others had to listen and focus on 4 different angles: the magic in the story, the incoming questions, the hidden message, and what we learn. Then we had to think together what we can keep for Unavision network. The next morning, we share the harvest of our storytelling sessions. In every village, you can find the spirit which is taking care of the place. A dream can be shared, but never completely. The people you met and the choices you made lead the way of your story. And each time you tell your story, it's like a therapy. On the afternoon, we went to the heart of the theme with a word cafe. In small groups, we used pens and papers while 3 rounds of 30 minutes to answer together questions. First, what attracts you to Unavision? Second, how can we co-create a truthful system that enables Unavision to grow? We arrived to Unavision is like a network of base camps located all around the world. Those base camps could be related with beehives, where people living in it are bees, living around are ants, visiting it are butterflies, and the people interested about it are bumblebees. The connection with all the beehives are a system which needs strong foundation around a common platform. Unavision should have a program who summarizes all the components of the vision. Thanks to dots, which shows each topic we wanted to explore, the foundations and the walls. At this moment, the idea of what is Unavision and what are we in it started to be clearer. Each of us could say if he was a bee, a bumblebee, or a butterfly, and think about to be or not to be, that is the question. We made a big work these 2 days, from knowing each other, sharing our story, work together, found who we are or could be in the project. So we naturally came to the point, what is our next step? Storming our brains, we agreed to go on different topics to continue the dynamics of the meeting. The communication of the groups, the concept of Unavision, and the program, which was finally included in the concept. Looking through the future, there's a lot of rendezvous. Learning journeys in Portugal, Albania, and Netherlands, new gathering and Skype meetings to continue working on the project, and many travels of members of the team. Because now we mostly feel like a team. We like this project and want to make it happen. It could be the way for a better future.